Good morning, Mrs. Yoon. I'm going to make a video assignment 6. Question number 1. What is the biggest environmental problem where you live? From my point of view, the most serious issue where I live is the pollution of the air. The intensity of the air pollution issue is worsened by the rise in vehicle exhaust emissions, which harms the quality of the air. For instance, using the bus, individuals ride their motorbike or drive their car to work or school. Generally, to save the environment, I hope people would use the bus instead of driving their vehicle. Question number 2. What kinds of materials can be recycled? Paper, plastic, and glass are examples of recyclable material. For instance, all new papers can be recycled to produce new paper products. Glass bottles can be crushed and melted to create new bottle or other glass products. Frankly speaking, it's important to know that the recyclability of material can vary depending on local recycling facility and guidelines. Always check your local waste management authority or recycling center for specific instructions on what can be recycled in your area. Question number 3. It is important to have park and green spaces near houses. Yes, it is important to have park and green spaces near houses for several reasons. Health and well-being. Access to park and green spaces encourage physical activity and outdoor recreation, which improve overall health and well-being. For example, walking, jogging, play sport, and enjoy nature, and improve mental health. In addition, children's development. Proximity to park allows children to engage in outdoor plays, fostering their physical and social development. Play in the natural promote creativity, problem-solving skill, and an appreciation for the environment. Absolutely, having park and green spaces near houses is crucial as to promote health and well-being, encourage community interaction, provide environmental benefit, property value, and support children development. Question number 4. Do you think cars should be banned from the center of the city? In my opinion, cars should be banned in the city center. I believe that cars emit a large amount of smoke into the atmosphere, which has an impact on health. For example, many studies show that dust in the air affects breathing at acute and chronic levels. As a result, the government should be ban cars and encourage people to use vehicles to release less than smoke than cars. Question number 5. Why do some areas have more pollution than others? In my opinion, some areas have more pollution than others due to people's awareness. People are still throwing around even though the government has made a rule that throwing garbage around will be in fines. Generally, each of us should raise our consciousness. Question number 6. Do you believe in global warming? Yes, I believe global warming refers to the long-term increases of average surface temperature due to human activity, primarily in emission of greenhouse gas, such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The science consensus is that global warming is occurring and it is largely caused by human activity. There are a wealth of evidence supporting this consensus, including rising temperature, melting ice caps and glacier, sea level rise, and changes in weather pattern. This change has significant impact on ecosystem, biodiversity, and human societies. For example, the Arctic region has experienced rapid ice loss over recent decades due to global warming. This has led to habitat loss for polar bears and other Arctic species while also contributing to rising sea level worldwide. In summary, there is strong scientific evidence supporting the reality of global warming caused by human activities.